2, 1, go!
Apollo looked back, Daphne's arms turned to bark, as what once felt like palms became ends of a branch. I'll gather her stems and cull from the tail. I'll make pencil and paper and you'll read someday. If that is your will, if your heart fears my love, won't you come flip the fatty of my guilt from the stove? Could you fall down from grace so I won't feel alone? Oh, to feel your hands raised from heavens above. From below, as I babble tongue twisters that sound like a note. Oh, little star, won't you twinkle?